Hey, it's Mark Weiss. I'm parked in a lot here, an appointment with a client. This doesn't have anything to do with an employment agreement, I want you to know that. But I want to talk with you about what does it cost you in terms of negotiating provisions in a written agreement, and we're going to use an employment agreement because it's the easy one as an example. So let's say that you're the leader of an orthopedic surgery group. You're recruiting a new associate physician to your group, and this person you've identified as somebody that you really want. You send them what you claim is your form agreement and ask them to sign it, and they come back saying, well, everything's fine, the compensation's okay, but I want 60 days notice of without cause termination, not 30. Or I want the notice provision not to permit notice by U.S. mail because it never arrives on time, or some cases it never arrives. I want notice by FedEx. What does it actually cost you to give up on those points? The answer is basically nothing. I know with my lawyer hat on, there is a difference between deciding to terminate someone without cause and giving them 30 days notice, goodbye, get them out of here, versus 60 days or 90 days. But in reality, how many times has that actually made a true difference in a client's business? In 40 years, I can't tell you it's happened once. There are some things that cost so little to change, it would be silly not to change them because you'd gain more in the relationship. In this case, you want to recruit that physician. You're not giving up anything other than a fake amount of pride. Don't cut off your nose to spite your face. The same rule, the same little trite saying is perfectly applicable to many provisions in a contract. Think about how easy you could make it to accomplish your goal by actually making it easy for someone to sign that agreement when push comes to shove.